The average person with AI skills earns 56% more than someone doing the same job without them. And that premium doubled in just 1 year. Right now, 4.2 million big data jobs sit unfilled worldwide. Salaries are climbing past 6 figures, even at mid-level. And employers are dropping degree requirements just to find talent. This is the career window most people do not realize is open. Across the globe, companies are in a race to find people who can turn data into decisions. Industry analysts estimate the big data market is already worth between $274 billion and $862 billion, and it is growing at over 12% a year, faster than almost any other sector. But what is most striking is not just the size of the market, it is the gap between jobs and people ready to fill them. Right now, millions of roles in data and AI remain vacant, with talent analytics platforms estimating several million open positions worldwide. In the US alone, the number of data science and analytics jobs is climbing so quickly that even the Bureau of Labor Statistics projects double-digit growth for years to come. The talent shortage is not a minor inconvenience. For every 100 data roles posted, only about 12 candidates are actually qualified to step in. That's not a typo. Dozens of jobs are left waiting for every person who is ready to do the work. In practical terms, this means employers are competing fiercely, offering higher salaries, faster promotions, and even dropping degree requirements just to attract new talent. The wage premium for workers with AI skills is now estimated between 30% and 60% above similar roles without them. That is the kind of jump that can change someone's entire financial picture. Geography used to be a barrier, but not anymore. While about 60% of data and AI jobs cluster in major tech hubs like San Francisco, New York, and Seattle, nearly a third now offer hybrid or fully remote options. For many, this means a 6-figure salary is possible without ever relocating. The urgency is so intense that even industry giants are making extraordinary moves. In 2025, OpenAI reportedly offered retention bonuses in the hundreds of thousands, sometimes over $1 million, to keep their best people from being lured away. When the most advanced AI company on the planet is fighting to hold on to its talent, the opportunity for newcomers is clear. This is a market where the rules are being rewritten. Instead of demanding a computer science degree, employers are looking for proof you can solve problems, tell stories with data, and pick up new tools quickly. Certificates like the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, which costs around $49 a month, are now showing up in job listings as valid credentials. The path from curiosity to career is more direct and more open than ever before. If you have ever thought about making a move, the numbers say there may never be a better time than right now. In 2026, careers in data are mapped out like a ladder, each rung a clear role with its own rewards. At the base stands the data analyst, the interpreter who transforms raw numbers into business insights. Their daily work involves pulling data with SQL, cleaning it up in Python or Excel, and building dashboards in Tableau or Power BI. Median salary sits at $78,000, with entry-level jobs often starting above $65,000, especially in tech-heavy cities or remote roles. Maria's story captures this shift. 2 years ago, she worked retail. After completing a Google Data Analytics certificate for under $50 a month, she landed her first analyst job at $68,000. 18 months later, with a strong project portfolio, Maria was promoted to $92,000 and now leads a small analytics team. Her trajectory, once rare, is now common. The next step is business intelligence analyst or developer. These professionals build the dashboards and reporting systems that guide entire companies. Median pay is $112,000, with those mastering Power BI or Looker reaching $160,000 or more. At major tech firms, BI leads can earn total compensation above $200,000. Data engineers construct and maintain the pipelines that keep information moving. They work with Apache Spark, Snowflake, and cloud platforms like AWS and Google Cloud. Median salary is $152,000, but senior engineers in cities like San Francisco often see $200,000 or more. Cloud data engineers, who manage data across multiple platforms, average $165,000, with top earners at Google reaching $370,000. Data scientists use statistics and machine learning to predict outcomes and reveal patterns. Median pay is $133,000, with experienced scientists at top firms earning over $200,000 plus equity and bonuses. Machine learning engineers, who turn models into products, earn a median of $170,000, with the best making $250,000 or more. Analytics engineers. Bridge engineering and analysis, building reusable data models for BI teams. Median salary is $130,000, with senior roles topping $180,000. ML Ops engineers, who automate machine learning deployment, see medians of $158,000. Data architects, designing the big picture systems, average $182,000, with senior architects surpassing $250,000. At the top, AI and ML research scientists start around $200,000, reaching $350,000 with experience. Chief data officers, who shape company data strategy, earn median salaries of $250,000, with total packages at leading firms sometimes over $600,000. SQL and Python stand at the top of every hiring manager's list. SQL, the foundation of business data, appears in 94% of data job postings. Python, prized for its clarity and power, is listed in 87%. Together, they form the core of modern analytics roles. dbt, now present in over 60% of relevant postings, has rapidly become essential for building robust, reusable data pipelines. Cloud expertise, spanning Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Azure, features in nearly all senior job descriptions. Mastery across multiple cloud platforms can add a 15 to 20% salary premium. For those skilled in large language models or generative AI, compensation rises even higher, with some roles offering 25 to 40% above the median. Yet technical mastery is only half the equation. Communication, turning data into clear, actionable insights, shows up in 86% of listings, outpacing even Python or SQL. Employers seek candidates who can build dashboards, write concise reports, and present findings with clarity. A typical upskilling plan spans 7 to 12 months. Begin with SQL and Python, then move to data cleaning and visualization using Tableau or Power BI. Build a portfolio of 3 to 5 projects, each demonstrating the full arc from raw data to business recommendation. Certifications matter. The Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, at $49 a month, is now recognized by hundreds of employers. Ravi's path illustrates this roadmap. Over 8 months, he learned SQL, Python, and cloud basics after hours, building a portfolio that included a sales dashboard, a churn model, and a cloud pipeline. He secured a $78,000 analyst job without a computer science degree. 6 months and a dbt certification later, he advanced to a $112,000 analytics engineering role. AI is transforming the world of data jobs, but not in the way most people expect. Instead of wiping out opportunities, automation is clearing away repetitive work and making room for roles that barely existed a few years ago. Surveys show that 30 to 40% of routine analyst tasks, like manual data cleaning and basic reporting, are now handled by AI tools. That sounds dramatic, Here's the twist. As automation accelerates, demand for skilled data professionals is skyrocketing. In the first half of 2025 alone, job postings for AI and data roles jumped by 89%. Companies are not shrinking their teams. They are racing to hire people who can work alongside these new technologies. Productivity gains are hard to ignore. Teams that embrace AI are seeing output double or even triple, according to industry-wide surveys. That means less time spent on tedious chores and more time focused on creative problem-solving, strategy, and building systems that matter. The World Economic Forum projects that by 2030, AI will create a net gain of 78 million jobs worldwide. Many of these are roles that did not even have names a few years ago, such as context engineer, memory engineer, AI trust engineer, and synthetic data engineer. These are not science fiction titles. They are showing up in job postings right now, with salaries that reflect their high value. For anyone worried about being replaced by a machine, the reality is far more optimistic. AI is acting as a career multiplier, not a career ender. The fastest growing data roles are going to those who learn how to harness these tools. The future belongs to people who can combine technical know-how with human judgment, and that door is wide open. Right now, more than 4 million big data jobs are waiting for bold applicants. No computer science degree is required. With a focused year and the right skills, the path from $65,000 to $300,000 plus is wide open. This is the moment to jump in now. Don't watch from the sidelines. Start building.